Sairam students, the lesson There is a Girl by the Tracks, written by Devan Kanal. Baleshwar saw the girl lying by the side of the track. Then what did he do? He grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down. When the train slowed down, he jumped off it. And what happened? What is the effect of that jump? A burst of pain shot up in his ankle. Did it have a real damage? No, it didn't have a real damage. He got up. Correct? Now, when the train disappeared, he ran back to reach the girl. Come to the next paragraph, sixth paragraph. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma, he couldn't see her. I hope I am not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Bahenji, aap theek hai? He asked. That means, sister, are you okay? But there was no response and no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. So what happened? Baleshwar was so far away. He was far away. Far means distant. Far opposite to near. Far, near. He was so far away. How much? What is the distance? So far away. How much far away was he? From Roma, he couldn't see her. He was unable to see her. That means too far away from her. He was too far away from her to see. So that not. See the usage of so that not. What did he thought? What did he think? What did he say? I hope I am not too late. Very important. So underline that sentence for extract. I hope I am not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. What is gasp? To have difficulty in breathing. Why? Because he ran back. The result of that action made him unable to breathe freely. So he was grasping for breath. B-R-E-A-T-H, breath. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Verb. Gasping for breath. So who is the I here? Baleshwar is the I. Where should he go? He should go to Roma Talriza. He had to rescue her. That is why that thought came to his mind. I hope I am not too late. How to change it indirect? He said, I am not too late. So the sentence within the inverted comma is an assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Under assertive we have affirmative and negative. So this is negative sentence. So assertive. So what is answer? He said remains same. He said. As the sentence within the end comma is an assertive sentence, so joining word, the conjunction is that. That is the conjunction. Join this part and this part. That I becomes, who is the I? Baleshwar. So it becomes he. Am present tense. As the reporting verb is in past tense, it should be changed into corresponding past. Simple present becomes simple past. He was not too late. This is the answer. I am not too late, he thought. Gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, so he ran for several minutes to reach that girl. He found her. Finally, he found her sprawled. What is sprawled? Lie stretched. Lie in a careless manner. Astavyasya biddidale avಳು. He found her. Find present, found past, found past participle. Find, found. He found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. She was lying by the side of the tracks. He saw her lying by the side of the track. She was lying. Then he reached the spot. He asked her, Behenji, aap theek hai? Sister, are you okay? Sister, are you okay? Are you fine? Are you all right? So he asked her whether she was okay. Are you okay? But there was no response. Just opposite to the previous sentence. Correct? There was no response. Why? Because she was unconscious. She lost her consciousness. She could not speak. She was not in a position to speak. So there was no response. She could not respond. And no help in sight. Sight means adrishya. Alli. So nobody is there. Nobody was present there. They were alone. Sight. S-I-G-H-T S-I-T-E. Homophones. S-I-G-H-T means drishya. Jog Falls is a wonderful sight, this one. I bought a site in Bangalore. This one, place. They were alone. These two people were alone. Somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart. Apart means away. Apart, away. Away in Thane districts. So where were they? They were in Thane districts. Apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. So Thane district borders Mumbai. There she was found, lying by the side of the track. He could see her. Now he decided to help her. How should he save her? Come to the next part. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind her head, behind the woman's head. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5'2", 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made his way across the tracks. Looking out for trains and searching for a way out, he crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. My sister is injured, he implored motorists who drove by. Please help me take her to a hospital. but no one stopped. So what did he do? When he reached, Baleshwar could see what? Blood flowing. It was bleeding. Blood flowing, flow. Flow present. Flowed past. Flowed past participle. Correct? The river flowed. Fly, flew, flown. Bird. Fly, flew, flown. Bird flies. Birds flew. Like that. So here, flow, hari unta. Blood, he could see blood flowing out of a gash. Gash means what? A deep cut. So where? Behind the young woman's head. So there is a wound. There is a cut behind Roma's head and it was bleeding. Bleed present. Bleed, bled, blood. What did he do? He had to save her. What did he do? Saying a silent prayer. So what did he do? He said a silent prayer. He prayed silently. Silent to opposite noisy. What kind of prayer? Silent prayer. What did he do? He lifted the girl. He lifted the 5 foot 2 inches. 50 kilo. So she was 50 kilo and 5 foot 2 inches height. Roma gingerly means it's given there. Very slowly, very carefully, very slowly and carefully. Very slowly and carefully or cautiously. Very carefully, very cautiously. ಬಹಳ ಜಾಗರೂಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಎತ್ತಿದ. Now frame a question. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. Gingerly answer takes the question word. How? Manner of lifting. So how? Then we need the helping verb. So here there is only one verb. This is the main verb. So what is the helping verb used here? That is did. Past tense. If it is lift, do. If it is lifts, does. As this one is at past tense, past. How did, then comes the subject he. How did he, the remaining part, lift her. How did he lift her? He lifted her gingerly. Then after lifting, what did he do? And made his way. To make one's way means to make one's way, to proceed in an intended direction, to go, to move forward in a particular direction. So he made his way across the tracks. He crossed across means from one side to the other side. Like this. Along means end to end of. End to end of, it is along. Across from one side to the other side. The government decided to build a bridge across the river. Across. So here he crossed. way across the tracks, looking out for trains. Look out means search for, searching for, looking out for, watching for, watch for. Looking out for trains. If there is any train coming, you come in that particular direction. Looking out for trains and searching for a way out. So he was a stranger for that place. He did not know how to reach the road, how to reach the hospital. So searching for a way out, what did he do? He crossed through, is a preposition, through some shrubbery. Shrubbery means plantation of shrubs. Plantation of shrubs. Kurchal gida. ಆ ಪದಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. Some shrubbery, some is the adjective. And followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. So, who showed him the path to come out of that region? That is the sound from the roadside. Sound maybe from the city. So he followed the sound of the sound and came out of that place. Found, at last he found the road. Then he came to the roadside. He saw vehicles. Now he has to take her to a hospital. To reach the hospital, he needs a vehicle. So what did he do? See, my sister, so holding Roma like this, what did he do? My sister is injured. So how to change it in direct? Baleshwar said that his sister was injured. My sister is injured. Who said this? Baleshwar said this. To whom was it said? To the motorists. Correct? Who is the sister here? Roma is the sister. How was she injured? In an accident. Correct? He implored. Implore means request. Requested the motorists who drove by. He saw many motorists. Then what did he say? Please help me take her to a hospital. Who is the me here? Baleshwar is the me here. Who is the her here? Roma is the her here. To whom was it said? It was said to the motorists. What was the response? But no one stopped. No one was ready to take her to the hospital. No one came to her rescue. So he might have felt disappointed in the beginning. Correct? Then come to the next part. On December 10th, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talriza arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé, Vijay. This is what happened in the morning. The accident had happened in the evening. So how did she begin her day's work that morning? The incident had happened on December 10th, 2010, as it is a real incident. That morning on December, see the preposition on, to say a date, on 19th, on 15th August, on Monday, day and date. We use which one? On. In the month of June, in June, in 1947. Correct? Got? So, on December 10th, 2010, a Friday, remember the day, Roma Talriza arrived at the call center. As she was a call center executive, as she was working in a call center, she came there, arrive, opposite, arrive, opposite, depart. Arrival, departure. Arrival, departure. So, Roma Talriza arrived at the call center. How? Bright. Bright means happy. The other meanings are intelligent. Correct? Clever. Quick-witted. These are the other meanings. So, she came bright. She came early. The BCom graduate, she was a BCom graduate from Pune, had been working there for 2 years. So, she had been working there for 2 years. Loving her job. She loved her job. Ishtapatidru. Talking and connecting to customers, this was her work. She should talk politely. She should connect to customers and making new friends there in the call center. There also, that day also, she made friends. That means, in the beginning, she started her work that day happily. No problem. She loved her job. We should love our job. We should love our work. Then only we can enjoy our life. Am I right? Yeah. Friend opposite, enemy. Friend, foe. After work, she went to the cafeteria. What is cafeteria? Coffee shop. A self-service restaurant is a cafeteria. One word substitute, remember that. Cafeteria, a self-service restaurant. So, she went to have what? Some snacks or coffee, drink coffee. Where in that cafeteria, she and her friends joked, enjoyed the moment, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Only a day remained. It was a Friday, then Saturday. So, how to spend the weekend, Sunday? They planned sitting in the cafeteria happily. Then heading, so after that, then heading home. What is heading? Heading means to move towards a place mentioned, to move in the direction mentioned, to move in the direction mentioned. Heading towards, moving towards. Heading home, moving towards her home. I went home, go home. I go to market. I go to my house. Correct. Not to home. It's equivalent to there. I went there. I went home. Like that. Not to home. Okay. Then, heading home. Heading towards her home. With whom? Alone. Nobody was there. After her shift. So, after completing her shift of work, she decided to go home. Then, what was her plan? Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother. What is look forward to? It's a meaning. Look forward to means, what is the meaning? Expect. She was in expectation of having food with her whom? Parents and brother. She decided to have food with them, sitting with them. Correct? Wait something eagerly. To look forward. To means wait something eagerly. Await something eagerly. Await something eagerly, or await means what? Wait for. Wait for something eagerly, curiously. Await. Now frame a sentence using the phrase, which one? Look forward to. We look forward to seeing you students. Correct? Yeah. Now frame your own sentence. Roma was looking forward to having, ing form should be there after to. Supper, last food of the day. Supper with her parents and brother. She used to have, I think, and brother. And a long phone chat with her fiancé. Who is that? Vijay. So who is Vijay? Her fiancé. Who is fiancé? A man that a woman is engaged to. One word substitute. Remember. What is a chat then? Chat. An idle talk. Not ideal, idle. Or to talk in an informal way. To talk in an informal way. About what? About things which are not important. Which are not important. Which are not unimportant. It is not unimportant thing. Which are not important. Unimportant is different from not important. Or idle talk. Harate hodiyodu anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Then this is the expected thing to happen. I think he got. Now come to the next paragraph, 9th paragraph. This is about, 8th paragraph describes about whom? Roma Talriza. Then come to the 9th paragraph that describes about Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra has a different story, has a very different story. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP, is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. Living with his 2 older brothers, his job hunt had proved fruitless. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future, but all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. Now what did Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. Story is the noun. What kind of story? Different story. How much different? Very different. Totally different story. Very is adverb, different is adjective, story is noun. He has a story. How to make it negative? He has a story. Change into, what is the tag used here? What is the question tag? He has a story. Hasn't he? Frame a question to get the underlined word. Story means what? Has means it is a main verb. So which is the helping verb here? Does. Has means does plus have. So what does, next comes the subject. What does he, next main verb, the root form of the verb, that is have. What does he have? He has a story. Negative, how to make it a negative? He does not have a story. So here, he has a very different story. The lanky youngster, what is a lanky? Tall and thin. Youngster from Mirzapur, he belonged to Mirzapur, which is in UP. He is an unemployed. He has no work. He has no employment. He is an unemployed. Employed, unemployed, opposite word. An unemployed, article. Unemployed begins from the vowel sound unemployed. So an unemployed high school dropout. Who was Baleshwar? He was an unemployed high school dropout. He couldn't complete even high school also. Dropout who had recently come. He had come to Mumbai recently. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದಂತವನು to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers. He has two older brothers. How many older brothers did he have? He had two older brothers, elder brothers, older, oldest, eldest. Correct. His job hunt means he was in search of a job. Job hunt had proved fruitless. Fruitless means useless. Fruitless. Of no use. Useless. It was a waste. Proved fruitless. That means he couldn't, though he tried his level best to get a job, he couldn't get it. Fruitful, fruitless. Now he was treading water. What is treading water? Failed to make a progress, meaning is given there. Making no progress. He couldn't get any advantage. Nothing could improve his ability or work or situation. Treading water and had resigned and had decided, came to a conclusion himself to the fact that he was running out of options. Option means choice. There is no choice. He couldn't get any job. He couldn't get any work. He is running out of what? Options. ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೇ, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹಿಸ್ ಡೇ. He had spent his day. Change into passive. It is in active voice. How to change into passive? This is the verb. This is the helping verb. This is the main verb. This verb tells the tense of the sentence. So, as this verb tells the tense of the sentence, it is called finite verb. This one is a finite verb and the tense of the sentence is a past perfect. This is non-finite. Now, how to change into passive? His day, had is there, has been, have been, had been, had been spent by him. It is passive. He had spent his day. So what is the tag? He had spent his day, hadn't he is the tag. With a friend, grabbed lunch. What is grab? Take hold of something suddenly and roughly. Grab. The word meaning is take hold of something. Take hold of something. How? Suddenly and roughly. Grabbed means here took. See the usage of grab. Word meaning. My friend came and grabbed my bat while I was playing. What did he do? He began to play. Grabbed. Khasidukollu. Grabbed. So here took. Grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, now in the evening he decided to go home. So he boarded the train. He pondered. He was alone. What is ponder? Ponder means think over. Ponder means think over. Pondered over. Thought over. ಯೋಚಿಸು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Think about carefully, especially before making a decision or reaching a conclusion. That is pondered. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. He pondered over his future. He thought about his future. What should I do in future? How can I build my future? But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. So it is not the right time to think about my future. He decided. Why? Because now he should save whom? A stranger's life. So who is the stranger here? Roma. Why? Because he did not know who Roma was. But he dared. He challenged. He decided to save her. It is not the right time to think about other things, leaving this concept here. I think he got. Now, read the 6th paragraph, 7th paragraph, 8th paragraph and 9th paragraph. Okay? Take down some questions. Where did Baleshwar find Roma at last? Why couldn't she respond? Number 3. Please help me take her to a hospital. Who said this? A. B. Who was it said to? C. What happened to the her? Correct? Sai Ram.